Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change a Klaviyo flow trigger. This is incredibly useful when you want to repurpose an existing flow for a different customer action without having to rebuild everything from scratch. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all of your marketing automation tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Flows. This section is where all your automated email sequences and marketing workflows are stored, and it's the hub for managing how your campaigns are triggered and delivered to your customers. Now, here's something important to understand about Klaviyo. You can't directly edit the trigger of an existing flow. Instead, you'll need to change the flow trigger by cloning the flow first. This creates a duplicate that you can customize with a new trigger while keeping your original flow intact. To do this, locate the flow you want to change the trigger for. Once you've found it, click the three dots beside it to open a menu of options, then click Clone. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your new flow. Go ahead and input a name for it. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Continue to move forward with the cloning process. Now you'll see the cloning settings screen, and this is where you can finally change the trigger. Look for the section labeled Trigger and click the drop-down menu next to it. This will reveal a list of all available triggers you can use, such as Abandoned Cart, Welcome Series, Post-Purchase Follow-up, and many more. Choose the trigger that matches the new purpose of your flow. After you've selected your desired trigger, click Clone Flow. Klaviyo will now create a copy of your original flow with the new trigger applied. This process usually takes just a moment, and once it's complete, your new flow will appear in your flows list, ready to be activated or further customized. And that's it. You've successfully changed a Klaviyo flow trigger by cloning the flow and assigning it a new trigger. This method allows you to quickly adapt your marketing automation to different customer behaviors without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.